What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's YouTube video, I'm actually about to show you guys how to get more than one ad on a YouTube video, because the more ads, the more money. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like for me to do. Let's get right into today's video. So in case you didn't know, the video has to be over 10 minutes to put more than one ad on the video. So like, if you see a lot of YouTubers, they'll drag their outro and stuff like that just to get more views on it. So I'm actually trying to find a video of mine that has over 10 views, and over 10 minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys how to add more than one ad. Alright, so I found one of my videos. It was the DIY senior crown. So I'm gonna go into edit, and then I'm gonna show you guys how that works. So I'm about to flip the camera. So as you can see right here, this is what the inside look like. When you scroll down, it's inside your Creator Studio. If you don't know how to get there, you're gonna go to the monetization tab. And then you have all these different type of ads: display ads, overlay, sponsor cards, skippable ads, non-skippable ads. And these little times right here is every time an ad's gonna show up on the screen. Sometimes the ad doesn't play, but it's still there, whether the person see it or not. I also click before and after the video. This look like you're thirsty for money, y'all, but it's just more money. I'm not even gonna lie. So monetization status is on, monetize with ads. So you can edit in bulk, like you can do like whatever that say, but I don't do all that. So this one is already edited. But once the video is 10 minutes and once you're able to monetize your videos, you can go in, like I can click right here. And then I just hit insert ad. And I can click right here. And I can hit insert ad. And I can click right here and insert ad. Save changes, preview it. And every video is going to show with ads. And that's how that works. So this video has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ads on every video. Is different. That video has 1,171 views, 17 likes, 2 dislikes, and 2 comments. That video was uploaded July 29, 2018 at 1 in the morning. Crazy, right? And the duration of the video is 10 minutes and 10 seconds. And that video has made me a total of $20. Like I said, every video is different. Each video don't make bank. I have some videos that haven't even made a cent that have a bunch of ads on it. So it's different. If you'd like me to go more in depth in that, be sure to subscribe. Drop down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like me to do. It's me, Kevin. I'm signing out. See you guys in my next YouTube video.